Bring him right over here. He lost all his privileges.
Oh.
Now you need to sit there. You can't walk anymore. Lost your privilege.
Yeah, he's a really big hummingbird.
I don't think he's